In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get access to your token in HubSpot, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're a new user or simply looking to refresh your skills, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, take a quick glance towards the top right corner of the page. There you'll see the Login button waiting for you. Go ahead and click on it. After you've clicked on Login, you'll see a variety of options to sign in. For simplicity and ease, I recommend clicking on Sign in with Google. Now, a prompt will appear, allowing you to choose which Google account you'd like to use. Select your account, and you're in. Easy as that. Next, it's time to delve into HubSpot's developer section. Direct your attention to the bottom left panel of the HubSpot interface. Here, you'll find a link labeled Developer. Clicking on this link will take you into the realm of HubSpot's development tools. Now that you're in the developer section, your next stop is the keys area. This is where you will have access to all API-related options. The keys hyperlink is what you're looking for, so go ahead and select it. Once you're inside the keys section, focus on locating the Developer API key option. This is crucial because this is where you will generate your new access token. Click on this option and prepare to create your key. With the anticipation building, you'll now see an option labeled Create Key. Clicking on this will generate your new API key, which acts as your access token. This is the magic key that opens up communication with HubSpot's powerful tools and services, allowing your applications to interact seamlessly with the platform. But we're not done just yet. You'll note that your newly minted API key is hidden, so you'll need to click on Show in order to reveal it. This is your access token that you'll be using, so treat it like gold. Finally, it's time to copy your key for safekeeping and future use. Highlight the key, right-click, and choose to copy. Now your access token is ready to be pasted into whatever application or project you're working on. Remember, this key is sensitive information, so handle it with care and do not share it with anyone who shouldn't have access. And there you have it. You've successfully gained access to your token in HubSpot. All done in just a few simple steps. It's always a good idea to ensure your token is stored securely and used responsibly. Thanks for following along, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Happy HubSpotting!